So, on an equation like this, where I'm trying to solve a system of equations, what I want to do is I want to look for two equations that have opposite variable terms. So here I can see that I have a negative 5y and a positive 5y. So I want to start out with these two equations. So I'm going to have 4x minus 5y plus 4z equals 19. I'm going to add to that x plus 5y minus z equals negative 20. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine those two equations, making note that my y variable term is going to cancel out. So that is gone, because negative y plus 5y is 0. So now I have 4x plus x is 5x. 4z minus z is plus 3z. And 19 minus 20 is negative 1. So that's the first step. The next step, I'm going to find two more equations that I can work with. So I can see that this, I want to make sure that I'm eliminating the same term again, so I'm going to eliminate y again. I want to work with this y here and this y here because they are opposites. So I'm going to use this equation and this equation this time. So we will have negative x minus 5y minus 5z equals 2. And that's a z. And x plus 5y minus z equals negative 20. So I'm going to add again. If you notice here, my negative x and my x will cancel each other out. That's gone. And then my minus 5y and plus 5y cancel each other out. That one is also gone. Now, I'm left with negative 5z minus z, which is negative 6z, equals 2 minus 20 is negative 18. Divide both sides by negative 6. Since I only have one variable, I can go ahead and solve it. So z equals 3. Once I know what one of my variables is, like z equals 3, I can take it and I can plug it into an equation that I've already worked with, this one here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 5x plus 3 times 3 equals negative 1. So then I have 5x plus 9 equals negative 1. And 5x equals negative 10. Which means that x is negative 2. So now I know x and I know z. Now all I have to do is plug in to find y. So I'm going to pick one of my equations to plug that into. I'm just going to use this last one just because. I'm going to bring that down, where x plus 5y minus z equals negative 20. So negative 2 plus 5y minus 3 equals negative 20. So negative 5 plus 5y equals negative 20, which means that 5y equals negative 15, and y equals negative 3. So that there is the solution to this system of equations. We have negative 2 is my x. Let's fix that little tail there. My y is negative 3, and my z is positive 3. That's how that would be recorded.